Hello everyone, my name is SRP and you're watching Kalaakaar Makerspace videos. In this video, we are going to build a home. Yes, this is why the videos were coming a little slow, because I was too much fixated on buying this land, and finally we bought the land and we are going to build the entire home. And for that we will be using MS pipes. We are not going with the conventional mortar and cement method. We will be using MS pipes, sheets, everything that I used to see in YouTube videos. I think I will take this as an opportunity to execute, and for that we are preparing this site. I have a second channel in which I have been uploading videos regarding everything that is happening related to the land, but because it's not related to project videos that you people signed up for in Kalaakaar Makerspace videos, I did not upload it here, but there will be a link in the description so that you can go there and check those videos on the process of buying this land, how we cleared it, how we built the boundary. A lot of information over there. First, let's get into this video and see what we are doing today to get the place cleared up. That is Mikey. He's having his afternoon nap. This is a boundary wall that I created using stones. This was totally picked up by the JCB and placed one top of the other. I know it is not the prettiest, but this is what we had. Now I can take smaller stones like this and fill the gaps inside to make it as a pretty wall. But this is done so that it prevents rainwater from pushing away all the sand. So we are trying to make tables. Here we made a table over here, and we made a table over there. And this house is going to start where the bucket is till this green color yard, and it's going up the hill. It will be a not two floors exactly. This will be the ground floor, and that will be an elevated portion over there. And for that we are clearing the place first. There are two people from Kalaakaar team and two people from some experienced people that we found when we wanted to work with. They are pretty flexible, and they will be helping us do the civil work while we do the metal work. From this tree to that tree, it is going to be around 10 feet, and the dimension of the home is going to be 10 feet across by 20 feet. We will build the frames across there and frames niche also, and for that we first have to clear the land and make it a little bit flat so that measurement and everything works out really well.
मोटा बांबू ये क्या ऊपर का लिया क्या ना सर चौक क्या है भाई ये इधर रास्ता तो निकला रास्ता पर काट लेना.
After yesterday's entanglement, I would call it, to understand how we have to mark it. We have finally done that. This is from this point to that point is like 10 feet, and from this point to that point is 12 feet. So essentially we can say that we have a room here which is 10 by 12. This will be the porch area through which the entrance, and then for us to sit down. Maybe we will connect that point to this point with an arch so that we get more area. But I think right now all the corners where we marked where we will be digging the foundation, वहाँ पे वर्कर्स अभी गड्ढा खोद रहे हैं. कंक्रीट डालने से पहले रीबार डालना पड़ता है, तो मैंने जाके 12 mm का रीबार लिया है. ये है 12 mm, और इससे वो पिलर्स बनेगा, और इसके बीच में जो क्रॉस बेसिंग होता है वो 6 mm से करेंगे. अभी जो रेट जा रहा है मेटल का वो है 60 रुपीज़ फॉर दिस. तो ये है हुआ सम 30 किलोस. एक रीबार आता है 10 किलो का, 10.4 10.6. तो ये है अभी का रेट. अभी कैसे बढ़ेगा देखना पड़ेगा. हियर आर द जालीस जो हमने बनाया था. एक्चुअली जो गड्ढे किए हैं, जो मार्किंग किया था, ये है वो गड्ढे. टोटल 9 गड्ढे हैं, और उसके अंदर बैठने के लिए हमने ये जाली बनाया है. ये कॉर्नर में हमने व्हाट यू कॉल दैट रॉड यूज़ किया है, और बीच में 6 mm का रॉड यूज़ किया है. और पूरा वो टाई करने से अच्छा हमने वेल्डिंग किया, क्योंकि हमको ये अच्छे से आता है. हमने वेल्डिंग करके ऐसा एक जाली प्रिपेयर किया है. नीचे आप देख सकते हैं वो पैर को भी बेंड करके वहाँ पे भी वेल्डिंग मार दिया है. सो द साइज़ ऑफ द गड्ढा इज़ अराउंड 2 feet, और हमने एक 18 इंच में किया है. अभी गड्ढे के अंदर पूरा पानी मार के सरफेस को वेट कर लिया है. अभी हम थोड़ा दगड़ डाल के, माल डाल के पीसीसी करेंगे, ताकि एक फ्लैट सरफेस मिलेगा नीचे, और उसके बाद वो जाली को बिठा के लेवल निकालेंगे.
कुमार ऊपर आएगा सर। आनंद है सर।
ये लाइन से ऊपर आ रहा है, यहाँ पे सेंटर पॉइंट है।
नहीं ये वाला एंगल जो रखते हो ना लेवल 3 शॉट यहाँ है ना।
कौन सा एंगल नहीं तो बोल रहा हूँ, वो सेंटर पॉइंट है, सेंटर पॉइंट ये डोरी के नीचे ऐसा खींचेंगे तो डोरी के नीचे ये प्लस सेंटर आना चाहिए ना।
तो हथौड़े से मार के उसको साइड लेना चाहिए।